The new splitters are in and we're going to fit them to the M3 today. I can't wait. So these are the MPerformance style splitters. They're actually eBay copies. A lot of people go with the copies because they actually get smashed up on speed bumps really quickly. Supposedly the fitment's pretty good. Generally I wouldn't put cheap stuff in my car, but let's put them on and see what they look like. Right, so when this is fitted like this, it leaves a body colored line here, so we need to put a bit of black wrap along there to stop that looking weird. But while we're doing that, we're also going to wrap here, here, and along here, so we can put as much tape and stuff on it as we want, and then when we take it off afterwards, when we decide we don't like it anymore, pull the wrap off and it will look perfect. So that's the plan. So we're going to go ahead, cut this now, and wrap it up before we fit this. Okay, so here's the splitter. So we've put, as you can see, the wrap on there, and then we've come along, taken the splitter and we've taped it up along where that wrap is, and we're going to try to stick it on now. Now there's one bolt, it's on the extreme there, it goes under here. Some people drill more to use these other holes, but I don't want to do that, so we're going to try rely on the tape. So we're going to tape and then one bolt here, and we'll see how that goes. They're on and they look awesome. I'm pretty happy with them. The fitment is okay. We stuck them on, fastened them in, they look good. We got our wrap here, so there's no white patch, and I think they look pretty good. Fitment is okay for the eBay ones. I don't know what the actual BMW ones are like, but you'll have a small little gap here, and it's pretty good around here with a small little gap here. But if you stand back, it looks pretty much fine. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. We have a few more small things we want to do to M3. We don't feature that often, but want to keep it mainly stock, but I like this. So yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon.